So this week, we are going to actually cover two chapters. We are going to learn more about transferring data from the controller to the view. And then we are also going to review the data annotations that we've used, and we are going to expand what we know and learn quite a few more. Within each of the lecture demos, there are hands-on, and there are also files that you can download and look at, in addition to videos. So we have used ViewBag quite a bit, but there are other ways to pass data besides using the ViewBag. We can also use view data and temp data. This little table has a summary of the similarities and differences between the different methods, and you will be practicing all three methods. So as you go through here and read, you are basically going to read about it, and then you are going to do it. And then as you go through here, you'll be learning more about the controllers and the action methods that we've been using and the types of objects they return. Okay, and most of the time we are using action methods and we are getting view results, but you can have your action methods return other types of results, and here is information on that. And then you'll get some practice with your controllers and returning different types of data. This exercise has you returning redirect to action and redirect. So besides returning views, you're going to learn how to return a couple other subtypes. So as you go through, you'll be reading about it and doing it. And then when you are done, you'll have a couple different exercises to turn in. In addition to learning the different ways of passing data, you are going to learn what to do when you need to create a view that combines data from multiple classes. And that's when you create a view model. So we have quite a bit of information in here on how to create a view model and what to do in the view to access all the data. So this is the first part of the assignment. This is the lengthier part. And once you finish chapter 8, you will upload those 3 exercises into the Dropbox, and then you're going to go on to chapter 11. And chapter 11 is all about data validation, and so there is a video here that kind of goes through everything for you, but you're going to learn a lot more about all of the different techniques that we have for validating data. Most of them are used in the models, but there are data attributes that you can put in controllers as well. And for this one, the hands-on are towards the bottom, just because there's just a lot of information to go through before you can even do a hands-on. So once you get to the very bottom here, you will see that we have adding data annotation to models. So you're going to work with that razor pages exercise that you did in chapter 8. Okay, and then we get into validating. And we get into adding that as well, using regular expressions. And then you will be doing this on your term project. And at the bottom is a summary of what you need to turn in. So those are the assignments. And I did include the PowerPoint from the textbook if you want to look at those. And I've got some additional links to information if you want to check that out as well. If you run into problems or have questions, please let me know and have a great week.